You're welcome back, bitches. Here we go with the fucking Canadian hemp seed mask. Part 1 says exfoliate your skin. So I'm taking this little pad and scrubbing down this dead, oily, nasty ass skin with my fake ass nails or whatever. So here we are, scrubbing it off. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Take it all off, Eliana. Yes, just like that, girl. Believe it or not, that shit was really dirty. Now part 2 says put on a mask. So here we are putting this mask. Oh, that feels really nice and cooling. Yes, put it down my neck. Let's just take the extra oil from this packet, put it down my neck because this feels really good. You gotta get it. Now I'm here dancing to no music, but you guys don't even know that. Who cares? Whatever. I am a herb. All right, we wait like 15 minutes. Now let's take this off and go wash your face, you little nasty. Let's go sugar scrub these nasty dead lips. Yep, just like this. Yeah, I am a smoker, so my lips be really dry. So here we are scrubbing that away. Let's get these lips ready for the poppin'. Yep, just like that. Yep, yes, girl. All right, let's hydrate this skin with some rose hydrating oil from Fresh. I really love this oil, especially before my makeup. Just let it sit there and hydrate my skin. Now going in with the Rose Soft Lip Cream. Prime your eyes. Let's go in with this Morphe 15S palette. Gonna go starting off with this magenta color right on the crease line. Here you go. First you want to lay it on there before you buff that out. Want to make that a bold color first before the blending process. Now you want to buff it out just a little bit. Now you want to take that hot pink color and you want to keep buffing that out. Want to keep going. Take your time when it comes to blending. Take your time. Keep on blending, girl. There you go. Look how nice that's turning out. I want to take a clean brush and go over that. Now let's go back with the magenta color. Make this crease pop more out. Just like this. Go in with a darker shade with this purple. Yep. Don't want to go all the way in with the purple, because you want to do a little cut crease. There you go. You want to buff it out. Go back with the repeating colors. Now let's do a nice cut crease. Excuse me there. The hell. Pat, 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 pat. Okay, this process don't have to be that perfect, but you get the point. Now repeat the colors. Go with purple, then magenta, and then with pink. Just like a little nice rainbow. Just like this. Yup. Just like that. Just like that. Yes. Now let's work on the lid. Go in with this nice color Babe. Really feeling this pink. Now let's go with Insta Famous right on the inner corners. Make that pop right there. Yup. Okay, let's do the other eye. Off camera. Be right back. Here I am. Now let's go in with the white eyeliner. I usually go with black, but I'm trying to do something different today. I'm going to leave the inside hollow just because I'm going to give it some color. So let's do this wing. And the inner corner, I'm going to close it though. Just like that. I'm going in with the color Neon Pink by Mayo Cosmetics. Like, can you just see this neon pigment? I just put in one swipe and there it goes. Like, that's crazy. I mean, you will make a mess on you, just warning, but baby, love it. Now let's go in with white on the eye watermarks because I feel like it just makes the eyes look way bigger, like a doll. I love this mascara from Tarte. Like, just look at it. Look what it does. Like, what, son? Now let's put some Chanti lashes. If you haven't gotten a pair yet, you're absolutely bugging. Like, just take a look at these. These are Style Envy. These are beautiful. Love her lashes. Now let's get my skin going. I love this primer. It literally feels like lotion. So I'm just going to rub that in there really good. Hydrate my skin. Oh, this feels nice, honey. That mask did me justice earlier. Now let's go in with NARS Sheer Glow Foundation. I love this foundation because it's not heavy, and I'm not a full coverage foundation type of girl. And I literally love this foundation, especially during the summertime, because I really don't like to wear too much makeup. Now let's contour and conceal this face. I'm going to go in with the Revolution Conceal Stick. I freaking love this shit. It's mad cheap, lightweight, and it does the job. So I want to highlight the face and define the face just like this. Go in with a smaller brush and do the patting motion. Don't forget the patting motion. Don't let it just sit on your pores. You want to get it in there. Make it give it that flawless finish. Go all around the face. Now let's set it with the Revolution banana powder. I like to take a little damp sponge and really get in those creases. Get in there, Eliana. Now let's bronze and contour the face. Give myself a little tan here. Yes, girl. Now let's snatch the nose. Let's make it disappear more than it already is. There you go. Ooh, yup. Let's blush this face. Since you guys don't make me blush, I'll make myself blush. I like to put some on the nose too to make it look more natural, and a little bit on the chin. Now let's define these brows, girl. I'm here using ColourPop. My eyebrows are already full, but I like to define them just a little bit. You feel me? Just like that. Yup. Set your face with Morphe setting spray. I fucking love it. Now let's use some Ofra highlighter. Bitch, hold on. What? This highlighter everglo though is literally life. Yes, Ofra, come through. Spray some more. Now let's just do my lips. Let's use some lip liner by NYX. I believe this one is called Mason. I'm gonna be basic today, so I'm gonna put some nude lip gloss by London.